All things Adrienne, we're making cookies here. This is the intro.
What's up, you guys? Okay, this video has been highly requested by all of you. And today is the day that finally Israel is going to show us how he makes his famous
Vegan chocolate chip cookie.
Never in my life have I ever posted a picture of food and it get over 100,000 likes. These chocolate chip cookies, the vegan chocolate chip cookies that Israel brought me in bed.
That I worked hard to master. Honestly, when I hear vegan cookie, I think, really? I am a cookie lover.
Cookie snob, you're a cookie snob. A little bit.
Come as you are if you're a cookie. I'm gonna give you a shot. But because she is vegan and because I'm trying to adapt more to that, been plant-based for a few weeks now.
He's sticking with it. I'm actually very impressed.
So I thought I'd really drill down and get this recipe right. I think you really
They are incredible. He originally found the recipe on a random website and we've made some adjustments. We're gonna show you a little video of the first time we made this attempt and it was a bit of a struggle.
Yeah, there was many struggles. Oh, shoot.
What?
I messed up, but I think we're okay.
Taste it with the chocolate. Is that better?
I can't figure out what I taste. I'm getting like, I'm tasting what grass smells like.
Are you concerned?
Yeah, it just looks a little weird. Okay, guys, we almost made a cookie pie, but we're gonna do some testing here. 1, 2, 3.
I almost broke a tooth.
So,
What?
so.
So you have figured this out.
Yep. I think. I mean, I hope.
No, you guys, they are
They're really good.
So good. Since I have been the judge of your vegan cookies and I say that they are absolutely incredible, we have 2 new little judges.
Yes.
My nieces are here, Jet and Bo, and we're gonna see if they notice
See if they like
these
it.
chocolate chip cookies. The first thing you are going to need is what?
Culture vegan butter. We found Miyoko's
We were definitely calling it Mykonos for the last 2 weeks.
for quite a while, yeah.
So next, it is
1/2 cup of coconut sugar.
coconut sugar.
And Bob's Red Mill is the best stuff.
We've got real, pure cane sugar.
Yep. Flour.
Did we mention that this is also a gluten-free recipe? Fun fact, people. Ta-da! So, what else, baby?
Baking soda. I got baking soda. I got baking soda.
By Bob's Red Mill. Can we discuss the fact that a lot of our ingredients are by Bob's Red Mill?
Bob's Red Mill.
And I had actually never heard of Bob's Red Mill before attempting this. So, shout out to Bob's Red Mill. This is not sponsored, but hey.
What if Bob and Miyoko were like married?
It's true love.
Some recipes call for cashew milk, almond milk. We like oat milk, so we're gonna go with oat vanilla extract.
Boom, I already had that in my kitchen.
We're gonna add some sea salt. Just a little bit of sea salt.
Oh, because technically these are sea salt
Vegan chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah.
Drink. Okay.
Boom. This salt does not supply iodide, a necessary nutrient. Good to know.
Good to know. And then we're just doing some chocolate chips, some vegan chocolate chips.
No, it's vegan. It's very important that they know that these are vegan.
Free from gluten, wheat, peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, soy, egg, sesame, sulfites, lupin, mustard, fish, shellfish, crustaceans. It's free of all of that.
Boom. Cool. What about coconut flour?
Oh yeah, when we're gonna combine our flours, yes, we're using all-purpose flour and coconut flour. Bob's coming through again.
Baby, are you okay?
Yes, sorry, I am.
Wait, do you know what you're doing?
Not really.
You're gonna need 2 mixing bowls. You're gonna need a large one and you're going to need a small one.
Smaller one.
See that? Smaller. Smallish.
I'm gonna do 1 of our cups all-purpose and
then
1 of our
half.
cups. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Level up. Level up. Whoa.
We're adding a 1/2 cup of coconut flour.
That's too much.
Okay.
This is how it really goes in real life, people. Babe, we still have too much.
Okay. Smells bomb,
It
right?
smells so good.
Well, and we're using coconut sugar as well, so the combination of those two is.
Because originally when we did this, you guys, he thought that the cookie batter smelled bad. Why did you think it smelled bad?
It smelled like grass, but I think it was.
No, it was in his mind. He's like, oh, it's plant-based, so it smells
but
like
it wasn't
grass.
that. No, it had a grassy, no aftertaste. Let's kind of, maybe not all of it. Okay, that's cool. That's good.
No.
That's good. Guys, we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of baking soda.
That's it? Half a
I
teaspoon?
know, that's kind of strange, right?
Yeah, go for it. How much of the salt, baby?
Just a quarter teaspoon of salt, so not much. There we go.
That was it?
That was it.
A half a teaspoon?
A quarter of a teaspoon, actually. Yeah, there you go.
How do you do all that mixing? How do you do all that mixing? Did anybody have an easy bake oven growing up? I just want you to know that the way my family's poverty was set up is why I don't know how to bake. So guys, we've moved on to our wet, so we probably should let you know that. Hold on. Okay, and now in your wet bowl, in your wet, you are going to put what?
We're gonna do our vegan butter first, of course.
Not gonna lie, we always put a little bit more of the vegan butter than the actual recipe called for because I just felt that in my spirit. No, did put a little bit more.
No. Okay.
Boom. Okay, there we go. Now that's good. Yeah.
Woman. This
much?
vegan butter is kind of amazing, and it smells like cream cheese.
It really does.
Half a cup of coconut sugar, right?
Half a cup of coconut sugar.
I don't have my glasses on, so I'm like squinting and.
Guys, fun fact, I prefer Israel without his glasses. I feel like he has beautiful eyes and he should show them.
Oh, baby. That's so sweet of you.
How much of that?
Half a cup?
You know you're doing baking soda? You need your...
Remember that part I said
You want
about my
your glasses?
glasses?
I swear you guys, he does this on his own downstairs and you probably just have your
There have
glasses
been many
on.
mishaps.
Really? That I just don't know about?
Yeah, but don't think the one we brought up and you posted was the first try ever. Trust me.
Were there like bad batches that I don't know about?
Yeah, just inedible stuff, man.
Inedible. And a whoopsie.
No, that's not it.
That's not it. I'm gonna get a little more sugar. Hey, you didn't put all the things.
On purpose.
Why?
I didn't feel like it needed it all.
It do needs it all. That looks better.
Much.
Okay.
That's good. Those are good. Yeah.
How much are you doing?
Half a cup. Okay, that's our coconut sugar. It's going in.
Coconut
It
sugar?
is not baking soda.
Hi, Bowie.
Hi, Bo. A
Hi.
quarter cup of the pure cane.
Go for it. I'm so confused. How are these our wet ingredients?
Hey, the wet was the butter, basically. And we're
Okay.
gonna add this. It's pure cane syrup, but it gives it a molasses vibe.
Nice. And that is to taste.
We're gonna go with vanilla now. Wait,
Well, no,
what'd
you
you do? You
normally
added
do
more?
it. Here, you can put it right here.
Where's that other spoon?
It's over here.
Whoa.
Okay.
There we go. There's your vanilla. Guys, please don't make fun of me. I don't do this for a living.
But he does it for love. And
Do it
that's
for
what
a
it's
loving.
about.
Ah.
He doesn't do it for a living. He does it for a loving.
Look, there you go.
Nice. We had the same.
Doug, this is our other wet ingredient.
Israel!
Guys, get your head in the game. 1,
I'm gonna read.
2. Do you see it where it says your milk? Yeah, you do. Don't.
Guys. Here, dry yourself.
Baby, I'm good. Well, we got marker on me. We got
Okay.
wet ingredients on me. Okay, we're about to combine these two, right?
Yeah, but I gotta mix these better.
Pass you another tissue paper.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bowie. Get in there. Mixing that dry and that wet together. The whole bag.
Presentation is not my strongest.
No, but babe, you were doing them before and it came out fine.
Well, that's because you love it.
That's noisy.
That's 1.
Wait, I feel like I should just do them with my hands
I
the
think
way
you
I
should.
normally do.
You washed your hands, right?
You know it. Like a meatball, people.
Our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna
Look
bake.
directly in the camera and say that without looking down. I dare you. Yeah.
Our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna cook them for about 12 minutes.
This has nothing to do with this, but if you all appreciate Israel's haircut, comment below saying thank you to me.
Just go with that for now.
I'm going with that for now.
Okay, how do you feel about this?
Boom! I'm feeling good.
We're gonna pause.
So it's a little bit later and I've let the cookies cool. And now I'm gonna bring them on over to my nieces who are my taste testers. You ready to taste the cookies?
Taste the cookies.
Okay.
That is amazing.
I'm sorry, what was that? Say that again.
It's amazing.
Oh, Bowie, do you like it?
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay?
It's okay.
Let me taste. This is a cookie for an elevated palate.
Not but I like it.
She just shoved 2 of them in her mouth. They're all gone. Everyone ate all the cookies.
Yeah, cookie.
Don't lick the plate. I think she liked it. All right, you guys, we hope you enjoyed this. This was highly requested. I hope that you love these vegan chocolate chip cookies as much as I do in bed with your loved one.
Hey.
Love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.
I wanna try our dough. I never tried it.
The dough tastes bomb. What?
What is that?
The end.